Ever feel like you're constantly digging through drawers or bins just to find a screwdriver? Yeah, me too. So I finally built something that changed my entire workflow. This custom cleat wall system with fully modular tool holder jigs. Whether you're in a garage, basement, or pro workshop, this setup keeps your tools visible, organized, and ready to go. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build it, how the system works, and give you some ideas for making your own custom holders. Let's get started. Join me while we transform my old storage room into this wonderful French cleat wall design. I'll show you how we did it. Look in the description for the video link of the shop storage cabinet featured in this video, as well as a link to the free plans. I could really use your help, so please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. On our project, I painted the wall black before we got started. Let's cut some wood. You can use whatever materials you prefer for these French cleats. I use 3/4 inch plywood. I started by ripping everything to 5 inches, then 2.5 inches at 45 degrees. I used 3-inch spacers from some of the wall cleats that I had previously cut. I also put a 1/4 inch sliver on top to make it easier to pull it out once everything was nailed in place. Notice I avoided nailing into the stud where the electrical line is. This is the first jig I made, which gives the exact location for drilling each screw hole. Here's how it works. Place it on the previous cleat and line it up with a laser level, which indicates where your studs are, if you have one. Pre-drill each screw hole in the cleat. I decided to box in my wall receptacles. I purchased a 3/4 inch receptacle extension from my local hardware store. Then built these wood boxes out of some of the cleat material. And I later came back and changed the wall receptacles and wall plates to black. You'll see that later. With everything pre-drilled, I used 2-inch screws to fasten each cleat to the wall studs. I used only 1 sheet of 3/4-inch birch plywood to do both 8-foot walls above the countertop, of course. I came back and touched up everything with a little varnish. To watch the video of me building this awesome wall cabinet, please watch part 2 of this project. Here's the clamp jig I made to hold the larger clamps. Everyone needs something to hold their mallets, right? And here's the saw holder. These are just ideas you can use to complete your own cleat wall project. found some 14-inch wide pine shelving locally, which I thought would be great for resurfacing the countertops, and turns out they were perfect for the job. I used liquid nails to make it nice and solid. I used Varathane Ultimate water-based polyurethane to help protect it, and it dried really fast. Well, that's it for this part. Don't forget to watch part 2 for the awesome tool cabinet build. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe. Send me comments if you have any neat tool holder ideas.